Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox and review this Asus TUF A15 gaming laptop, which I got it for around 63k. So let's see to it. So guys, let's begin. Okay, so guys, this is the box, and now let's just unbox it and open the box. So when you open the box, first of all you get to see here the laptop in this plastic wrap. Now yeah, let's just remove the plastic wrap and keep it aside and see to it. So this is I have in the black color. This is the plastic build one, and this is how it looks from the back. This is the honeycomb design which Asus gave, and yeah, this color and this laptop is like looking like a gaming laptop. This feels like a gaming. Now just keeping it aside, and we'll have this is the user guide, just the normal, which no one ever reads. So yeah, this is getting started and everything. So let's just keep it aside, just throw it. Yeah, and then this is the normal power cable, and the another we get is the charger here. This is the 150 watt charger. As you can see here, 7 watts 20 watts, 7.5 amp. This is the 150 watt charger available here in the box. So yes, this was it in the box. Now let's just keep the charger aside and go towards the laptop here. So this is the Asus TUF A15 I bought in the bonfire black color, and there's another variant in the in the gray color, in the silver option, which has the aluminum build. So yeah, that is more costlier than that. So yeah, now let's just open it. Here there is the power button. Let's just start the laptop, and you get to see the RGB lighting on the keyboard. So that's great, which gives the gaming feel, and the RGB lights are just amazing. As you can see, the laptop just booted. It hardly even took 3 to 4 seconds to boot the laptop. So yeah, this is great. The laptop booting speed here is just great, because I have the SSD one. I have the Ryzen 5 variant. So let's see to it. The keyboard here is just amazing, and this is how you can turn off the keyboard lights and also increase the brightness of it by pressing the function key and the upper key and everything. So yeah, this is how the keyboard is. Overall, the laptop here is just great. And talking about the build quality, here is also just great of this laptop. Okay, so guys, now I'll just show you the specifications. Let's just talk about the specifications. The hardware, which I have the Ryzen 5 variant, Ryzen 5 4600H variant, and 8GB RAM, and I have 256GB of SSD and 1TB hard disk. So yeah, this is the base variant. I got it for around 63k, and it has the 144Hz adaptive sync display. So that is great. The display here is just amazing. The refresh rate and everything here is just great. Those who game a lot, you can do the gaming great. The gaming performance will be just amazing, and will get around 100 FPS of game. So yeah, that is great. The higher refresh rate display is just great for the gamers here, but for those who have the color grading work, it's not just that great, because this has the 45% NTS, 65% sRGB. So yeah, that is not great. The color just looks somewhat faded. So as compared to the external monitor I used before, as compared to that, the colors just look a little bit off. The red color, there are many shades of the red color, but sometimes the red color looks like a little bit of orange. So yes, there is a bit of color issue in this display. Otherwise, the display is just great and bright. You have 250 nits of brightness here, and overall the viewing angles and everything is just great about the display. If you work with Photoshop and everything like the color grading, then this laptop is definitely not for you. But you can purchase it if you are going to use the external display only. this laptop is powerful and everything is just great at this price. The display is also great at this price. You get around that much only at this price, so you have to compromise at something. So everything just don't come over at a cheap price. So you have to compromise a little bit if you want this power at this price. Okay, then talking about, here are these stickers. Here the stickers just shows the honeycomb design which is on the back, and you have the DDR4 RAM which is overclocked to 3200 megahertz, which is at 3200 megahertz. And the laptop build quality here, as you can see here, it is stated military grade build quality. You have the self-cleaning fans and the Aura RGB lights on the keyboard, and you get to see the DTS:X sound. So yes, that is great. And I have the 1650 variant, the GTX 1650 graphic card, and the Ryzen 5 variant. Then at the back you get this tough gaming branding, and these are the 4 lights, the indicator lights are available, and this is the tough logo here. This is tough logo on the back. So yes, this just looks great, and this is the honeycomb design on the back. This texture here is just great. So overall the design and build quality of this laptop is just great. But this is the plastic one, and another you get is the aluminum build. So the aluminum build is just great, but this just feels more like gamers laptop. So if you are a gamer, so then this laptop is for you. Then flipping back to the laptop, here are the vents. This is the honeycomb design, and these are the vents available here. These are the only openings from where the heat comes out. Another 2 sides, and these are the grips up on the four sides, 4 corners, and these are the speakers here. So the speakers are not much loud, I must say. The speakers can be a little bit better, but it's okay. The speakers are not much loud. You get to see the Windows logo here because this has the Windows 10 Home pre-installed, and you get 1-year license. And on the back, these are the vents you get to push the heat out. So these are the vents at the back, and then inside also these are the vents you get. So there are very less vents for the heat to come out, so there will be a little bit of heating issue if you game intensively on this. But I just don't game intensively. I just played around one and a half hour of game, but in that gameplay the laptop just didn't heat too much. In my usage, the laptop never gone over 50 to 60 max 60 degrees. So in my usage, I just don't play much games. I just wanted the power of this laptop for the editing and stuff, so I just don't play much games. So it's good for me because it had never gone over 60 degrees Celsius. So yes, that is great. So guys, then talking about the mouse pad, the touchpad here, the touchpad is also just great, and this is good that you get to see the separate buttons here that is not combined with the touchpad. So this is great that there are 2 separate buttons available here, and touchpad size here is also the average medium size of the touchpad. So as you guys know that this is the plastic build one, and when you press the laptop from the top, this is how much it gets pressed, as you can see. Then talking about the ports, which ports we get, then on the left side these are the ports. First we get the charging port. First is the charging port, then we get to see the RJ45 port for the internet, then we get to see the HDMI port. Then there are 2 USB 3.2 ports available here, then a USB type C and a audio jack, 3.5mm audio jack, and here is the speaker as you can see here. Then on the right side you only get to see a USB port, that is the USB 2.0, and up you get to, and also you get to see the Kingston lock port here available. Okay, so guys, then talking about the battery life here, the battery life on this laptop here, I must say it's just not that great. As you can see, I am just hovering over the battery icon. The battery percentage currently is 92% and it's showing 3 hours and 40 minutes battery life remaining. So for 92%, 3 hours and 40 minutes of battery life is yes, a little bit less. It should at least give 4 hours of battery backup, but I am not getting even 4 hours of battery backup. I just use normally play games around 1.5 hour, then just normal editing stuff on the Filmora. So yeah, this is my usage, and for this usage also it just doesn't last for 4 hours. So yes, battery backup I am feeling a little bit issue. That is because of the 144 Hz display also you get, which is adaptive sync, but still it consumes battery more than 60 Hz is normal. And also you get to see the powerful processor and everything, so battery life will be an issue if you want to purchase this laptop. Okay, so guys, then there's another issue, that there is no lock when you just close the lid. So when you accidentally, like sometimes when you hold your laptop vertically, then the lid just gets open. So this is a bit issue I have faced. And also talking about the laptop's weight, it weighs around 2.3 kgs. This is the normal variant. The plastic variant, it weighs around 2.3 kg, and if you buy the aluminum build one, it will weigh around 2.6 kg. So yeah, there is a difference of 300 grams. Then also talking about, there are many variants of this laptop available, and in the base variant and in the Ryzen 7 1650 Ti and 1660 Ti version, you get to see the 48 watt hour battery. So yes, and in the top variant, the 2060 RTX 2060 variant, you get to see the 90 watt hour battery. So yes, there is a difference of battery. And that is the Armoury Crate available in this laptop, so you can just customize everything. Here are the performance mode, just the Windows silent performance mode and the turbo mode. The turbo mode just gets enabled only when the laptop is on charging. So you can also customize so many things in the Armoury Crate. There are so many customizations available here. You can customize the keyboard lights. These are the modes of the keyboards available here. The static lights, these breathing lights, this is how the breathing lights looks like. Then you get to see the strobing, which the light just keeps changing constantly. The strobing turns on and off, which just consumes the battery life a lot. Then you get to see the color cycle available here. So these are the lights available. So there are so many customizations in the Armoury Crate you can do on this laptop. So yes, that was it for the Armoury Crate. I'm using this from around 4 days now, and till now the laptop has performed great. No overheating issues, no issues I have faced. The gaming performance here also just great. I have this GTX 1650 variant, 8 GB of RAM, 1 TB hard disk and 256 GB of SSD, but the performance has been just great for me till now. So yeah, I haven't faced any issues. If I face in future, I'll definitely make a video about it. Guys, yes, this was it. This was the Asus TUF A15 laptop. Now if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below or in the Telegram group. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and goodbye.